Hello everyone, welcome to my graduation project presentation video. In this video, I will introduce my design process step by step, including iterations of my presentation methods, the thinking process, and the final output.
Initially, my project theme was developing fashion assistant using artificial intelligence, aiming to train an AI model using the deep learning style guide 3 algorithm on a collected dataset of clothing patterns. This model was intended to recommend and identify fashion trends in the form of virtual images. However, the training duration exceeded expectations, leading to high costs of renting powerful computing resources, which was an unsustainable way for me. After 5 days of renting a server, with only 30% progress in model training, I decided to pivot and explore the high consumption dilemmas faced by students and professionals in the computing industry under the current era.
My experimental journey mirrored the pursuit of luxury item, highlighting a dilemma. Owning a high-performance computer could lower the barrier for complex model training, but was not a necessity. I realized there were alternatives to meet my project standard, such as using simpler algorithms or investing more time in code refinement. My desire for a high-performance machine was not just about enhancing my project, but also about standing out among my peers and feeling more professional. This psychology reflects the pursuit of symbolic value, akin to that for luxury good.
For my final presentation, I chose a Unity game called The Treasure Journey, a 3D third-person adventure game. The player, as an explorer, collects coins to buy luxury items in a world filled with natural disasters and monsters. Players can use WASD for movement and the mouse to control the camera view. Monsters have fixed patrol routes, and when players enter their patrol range, they will chase and attack them. If a player's health is reduced to 0, they will die and the game will be restarted. Treasure Journey reflects the psychological state and behavioral choices of individuals in the real world when faced with high consumption pressures, especially for low-income groups. The game illustrates the dilemma and the challenge they must confront in their pursuit of material satisfaction. Whenever a player collects 2 items, it triggers a test-based narrative that gradually guides the player towards the correct consumer mindset. When all the items are unlocked, it triggers a completion narrative. The concluding test emphasizes the theme and encourages players to reflect on their own consumption values and beliefs. Feedback from initial testers highlighted the game's interactivity and its unique perspective in stimulating real-world scenarios. However, some mentioned the tedium in collecting coins and suggested incorporating diamonds to expedite luxury item acquisition, improving the game's pace. Also, adding a timer could increase player engagement. Additionally, integrating a minimap in the UI surface was proposed to avoid dead ends during the monster chases.
Finally, I'd like to thank my supervisor, Tom Qian, for his invaluable advice, encouraging me to embrace the trial and error in deep learning and sparkling new thoughts on societal high consumption needs and conflicts. This research journey has been incredibly meaningful to me, and I hope my graduation project will add value to the future studies in this area. Thank you for everyone who have supported me and participated in my project. Your contributions have enriched my design immensely. Thank you for watching.